so we can move between rolling the sole of the foot to the outside edge of the chair and then rolling onto the big toe side of the foot, pinky toe side of the foot off the chair. Or you can stay in one or the other of those configurations. But again, if you were looking at me from above, this thigh is, the very trail end of that femur has a little corner of the chair under it, but otherwise it's free of the chair, the knee end of that thigh bone and the upper end of that thigh bone. And then just below the knee, I'm on the chair down to my foot. That leg that we've got toppled forward, we could draw that hip back like we did on the other side. We could roll it forward. A sense of like rolling the top of that thigh, yawing it towards the floor, rolling that hip back. The knee might come up off a little bit. It might stay down. So just rocking that hip forward and back. And do what you need to do with your foot so there's not any sense of strain on the knee.